guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a 20-minute newborn hat. Here's a little one that I made for my new nephew. He's only a week old, and so this is gonna be for a newborn hat. And now my nephew, he was a few weeks early and a little bit on the small side, around 7 pounds. If you have a newborn baby in your life that's about that size, this will be the right size for you. But in the video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the variations in case your baby is a little bit older than that, a little bit larger than that. So I'm going to teach you a bunch of different variations to make a beanie for a small infant. So let's get going. I'm going to show you all the steps on how to make this adorable little beanie.
Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is get your yarn ready with the slip knot and insert your hook right like so. Then you want to chain for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then here's a little bit closer. Now you want to connect those 4 chains in order for you to create a circle. So you're going to insert your hook into that first chain, and then you're going to loop around, do a little slip stitch, and now you've got a circle. So you're going to have your 4 chains, and you're going to be inserting half double crochet stitches into each of these 4 chains. So you're going to chain 1, then you're going to insert into that first chain. There's your half double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over all 3. So you're going to do 3 half double crochets in each chain. So there was the first one. Now we're going to go over here to the next one. I'm showing you right here where to put it. Now we're going to insert that half double crochet. There's 1, yarn over, insert. There's the second one, and then the third half double crochet. Now we're going to go over to the next one. I'm going to go real nice and slow so you get a good foundation on this hat so that there's no mistakes at the very beginning. So there's the first one, second one, and then the third one. Yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through all the loops. Okay, now here's the last one that we're going to be putting those 3 half double crochets in this last chain here. So there's the first one, the second one, and then there'll be the third one. Now at this point you are going to want to connect this little circle. I'm going to show you right where to put it. See that chain? Put your hook in that chain, yarn over, pull through, and then you're going to pull that through in a little slip stitch. So there's your first round, and here's how many: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 chains. You want to make sure there are 12 chains on this first circle. So now we're going to chain 1. We're going to half double crochet in the first chain 2 times. So 2 half double crochets in that same first chain. Then we're going to do 1 half double crochet in the next chain, like so. And now we're going to go into the next chain and do 2 double crochets again. 2 half double crochets in that chain. So 2, then 1, then 2. This entire beanie will be using the half double crochet stitch. Next chain will be 1, and so on and so forth all the way around. So here we are to the end. There's my 1, there's the 2, then I'm going to show you how to finish up this round. There's 1, then you're going to put 2 half double crochets in this chain right here, and then you're going to do the one last one. You'll know that you're on the right track because you started out with the 2, so it should be 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 going all the way around. So you're ending with 1, and we started with the 2, so we're on the right track. This right here is the chain that we are going to attach with another slip stitch. So once you've attached your round with that slip stitch, you're going to chain 1, and then we're going to half double crochet twice again in that same first chain. But this time, instead of doing only 1 half double crochet, we're going to do 2 half double crochet. So there's 2 in this first chain. Now we're going to do 1 half double crochet and then another half double crochet right next to it. So there'll be 2 individual half double crochets, and then we're going to do another 2 in the same chain. So it's 2, then 1, and then another 2. So you want to make sure that this stays consistent all the way around so that you have the right number of chains and that you're increasing at the right rates. So 2, and then 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then another 2 in the same chain going all the way around. Now here we are at the end of that round. See, there's the 2 half double crochet, then the 1, then the 1. Now we're going to be doing the 2 in the same chain. There's the second one, and then we're going to have, you see there's those 2 chains left, 1 half double crochet in each chain to create 2 half double crochets right there individually. Last one, and then we're going to connect using this chain, the chain that's already up on the top. So right there, we're going to connect it with another slip stitch, and then we're going to chain 1. And then for the next round, we're going to be putting 1 half double crochet in each chain all the way around. So we're not going to be increasing anymore. We're not going to be putting 2 half double crochets in 1 chain. So 1, 2, and just go 1 half double crochet all the way around. So pause the video right there, work on that. Here we are at the end, 1 half double crochet, finishing up this round, and another half double crochet here. And then we are gonna just keep going all the way around in a spiral. So you're gonna go in this next chain right here. We're not gonna do the slip stitch and then the chain 1. We're gonna insert it in that chain that I just showed you, right here, half double crochet. And then we're gonna continue doing 1 half double crochet in each chain all the way around until you reach your desired length of your hat. So just keep going all the way around. Now keep going around until you reach your desired length. Here I am, I've reached it. And in order to finish it off, you're going to half double crochet. Then you're going to, right here, then you're going to single crochet. So that's a hook in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. That's a single crochet. And then you're gonna slip stitch. That just kind of helps gradient kind of the stitch size down to make it a nice clean finish. Now because of the size of the yarn, I like to use a smaller crochet hook to weave in my 2 ends instead of a tapestry needle. So you can go ahead and do that. Now I use the Lion Brand Wool Ease size 6 super bulky yarn. That's why this can be a 20-minute newborn hat with this nice big hook. I use the size K hook for this tutorial for my 7-pound nephew who is about a week old. It fit him perfectly. Now if the baby is going to be a few weeks older than that or born a little bit larger, I had 8-pound babies, you're going to want to have closer to a 6-inch length and closer to a 7-inch width. Right here it's about a 6-inch wide hat that fit my nephew. So you're going to want to play around with it. Use a larger hook in order to create a larger size hat. Size L will be a little bit bigger, and then the size N that the package instructs will be even bigger than that. When you lengthen it out, you'll be able to customize this hat for a wide range of newborn baby sizes.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to check the description box or the about box below the video. That will have all the instructions written out. It will also have the variations that I mentioned in the video, the different size hooks to use in order to make the hat a little bit larger or a little bit longer. All that information will be below. You can leave me comments. I'll try my very best to get back to you, or you can message me through Facebook. That's another good way to get a hold of me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!